Hello class 2, welcome back to maths class. Today we are going to learn another topic of chapter number 2. So you know that in the previous class we have learned even numbers. In this class our topic is ordinal numbers. Before I explain what is ordinal numbers, let me tell you what is cardinal number. Cardinal numbers are the count, like we count, no? 1, 2, 3, 4. These are all called cardinal numbers. Okay. So you can see on the board also I have written the definition of cardinal numbers. Counting numbers are called cardinal numbers. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now let's talk about ordinal numbers. Now with the word ordinal, you must be getting some sound of order. Order means giving sequence to any number or any object. Say for example, let's try to understand this ordinal number with some objects. Okay. For example, I am drawing few objects, like say for example, this is a bow. Okay. Then let's draw a cake. Okay. Okay, this is a cake, and say let us draw one lollipop. Okay, this is a lollipop. Now let's draw one hat. This is a hat. Okay, and let us draw one tree over here. Okay, so you can see all these objects are placed one by one. Now if you want to give an order or give a position to these objects, how we will give the position? Like this bow, it is in the first position. Okay, then cake is kept in the second order, that is second position. This is in the second position. What about lollipop? Lollipop is in third position. Okay, what about hat? Like say we will just make a hat. Okay, this hat is in the fourth position. And what about tree? Tree is in the fifth position. Okay, so sequence or order or position to any object, we call it ordinal numbers. Okay, let's take few more examples. Like in your school, what happens? Sometimes you appear for some competition. Okay, like say you had a poem recitation competition. So in the poem recitation competition, many children participate and only 3 winners are being selected. So the first one will be the child who has scored the maximum point. He will be placed in the first position. Then little less point will be placed in the second position. Then little lesser than that will be placed in the third position. Okay. In the similar way, in sports competition also you must have seen the podium. Okay. Podium is the winners come and stand. Okay. First position, first rank holder, second rank, then third rank likewise. Okay. So as like in the class performance also, like after completing the whole year session, we have a final exam, and in the final exam also we see that who has stood first in the class, then second, then third, likewise. Okay, the ranking are given to individual child. Okay, so when we assign position to any object or to number, we call it ordinal numbers. Okay, let us write what is ordinal number. I hope you have understood with the picture diagram and picture explanation. So let us write the definition of ordinal number. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which tells us about the position of any we can say object. Okay, for example, like ordinal numbers can be written in words, also in numbers. So I am writing here in numbers. So how do we write ordinal numbers in numeral form? Like first F1 ST, okay, then second 2 ND, then third 3 RD, fourth 4 TH, and likewise we write the ordinal numbers. Alright children, so I hope you have understood what are ordinal numbers. Ordinal numbers are those numbers which tells us about the position of any object. Okay, so for example, first, second, third, likewise. Now I will tell you how to write the ordinal numbers in words, also in in numbers, and you have to learn ordinal numbers till 20. Alright, from 1st to 20th. So let's see how we write that. Okay, so we'll try to write the ordinal numbers in numeral form. This is numeral and this is in words. Okay, I will not be writing all the numbers. Okay, I'll just show you few examples. Like first, this is 1 ST, and in words how do we write? FIRST first. Then second, how do we write second in words? SECOND. This is second. Then third, THIRD, third. Fourth, FOURTH, likewise. And then fifth, FIFTH, sixth, SIXTH. So after this third, the later number whichever we will write, we will TH at the end of the number. Okay, like after fourth we will say fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. After 10th what? Then after 10th, 11th, 12th, 13th, 14th, 15th, then 16th, 17th, 18th, 19th, 20th. Now we know the spelling of 11, we know the spelling of 12 and 13. Only TH at these words. Okay, that's the only process. But thereafter when we come or when we assign from 21, that is 20, we don't say 21th, that is wrong. We will say 21st, 22nd, 20. Okay, like we have learned no first, second, third, 21st, 22nd, 23rd. And thereafter 24th, 25th, 26th. So like the 10th place, whatever is there, we will write that, and then the numbers from 1 to we count. Okay, as we give the position to the numbers, likewise we will write. Okay, but in your class you have to learn ordinal numbers till 20th. So you will be writing the numeral, ordinal numeral from 1st to 20th. Like if this is like first, no, you will write in numeral as well as in words. So you write the ordinal numbers both in number and number name from 1st to 20th. Okay, so from 1st to 20th you will write in your copy, classwork copy. At the same time, I have written some definition like what is cardinal number, what is ordinal number with example. All that you will write, as well as you will try to practice at home. Okay. Now let us see, in the book also we have some exercise related to this topic. Now you can see here on page number 30, I guess it is on 40th, okay. Exercise number 2.2. All of you can see here exercise, this is exercise number 2.2 and the page number is 40. So you can see here, count from the left, you have to count from